Hello and good morning. It is early morning and I am watering my plants right now. And I just wanted to start in this area. I know it's been a long time since my last video, but I've been super busy. I've been building the grow room and it's been a lot of work, but this is what I came to this morning. These are my zucchinis and they are just flowering like crazy. You can see all the orange, all the color, and they're mixed in with my super beefsteaks, which I've been tapping to pollinate. Hopefully that works. But these, I've been keeping an eye on them, and I'm going to be hand pollinating these to see how. I mean, look at that. That's just like a triple head. I've never seen that outside. But I'm going to be hand pollinating these and seeing if I can get some pretty good size zucchinis. Maybe make some zucchini bread or fry some up, who knows. But we're just going to start there and we'll work our way through the grow room. This is actually, I would say, a new area. I covered this with Mylar since the last video and it's been doing really well. I got a fan on it and they used to be on the top rack, but it was really close to the light. They were probably like, I don't know, like they were about to touch the light and I had to transplant them. But let's go check this out. These are my corn. These things have got to be like 3 to 4 feet tall. Let me go around this way. Oh, sorry, it's been kind of crazy. This plastic film I just put up for the time being because I just actually ordered some more Mylar and I just got the roll the other day, so I'm definitely going to be putting this up. I have to put another section up so they're completely covered, but they are getting tall. They are doing pretty well. Now one thing that, I mean, they're in pretty small pots right now, but I just don't have the time or I don't have the supplies right now, so I'm just kind of going with what I got and they seem to be doing okay. It is pretty much still in my area. We're still like a month out from our last frost date and I've got corn like I'd say almost 3/4 of the way. They should start tasseling soon. That's kind of cool. Anyways, let's go. Are you eating the peas again? Come on. Let's go back up to the here. Let's do the top first. We got sunflowers. These are actually, I was going to give these to a friend for their garden, but these are actually called for. Somebody wants to buy them off of me for Earth Day, so that's pretty cool. I got about, I'd say about 47 healthy ones, 40 to 50. And dude, you gotta chill out, man. You're eating my peas. My cat loves my peas. In this next section, these okras aren't doing too well. I think I'm gonna scrap these, but I already planted my next succession of corn. Planted those on the 29th, and some of these are peas. I just got them going away, seeing when they pop up. Over here we got some beans. Got some really good action on these. Some of these are like, hey, look at the size of that. It would be safe to say I could pick that off and cook it and eat it, but they're just all over the place. I got about 5 of those. These are like a pole bean plant. And then my bok choy, it's doing all right. I actually cut some of this off and we cooked it up. It was pretty good. So let's go check out the bottom. It's been a long time coming. I've been wanting to put a video out, but it's just been crazy with everything, like me working and trying to make a video, just like prioritize what I want to do first. But this is the sweet peas, and they are everywhere. But they are producing, and I've actually eaten some of, like, I could totally eat that right now. And these are delicious. These do very well inside, and you don't have to pollinate them. They're self-pollinating. So pretty darn cool. But one thing I need to do is trellis them a lot better. Again, I didn't have the supplies at the time, but I'm going to be doing something like this. And then these are like a 5-foot stake, and I cut them because I think it's about just a little over 3 feet to the light. And then I'll take them out if they get too tall, and I'll put them in a taller area. This is actually, if you're curious, this is a yard-long bean plant, asparagus bean if you want to call it. I am gonna keep an eye on that because it's gonna grow very fast vining plant. But you can see these peas are just coming off like crazy. And the cool thing about this plant is it's like the whole plant is edible. Like you could literally take these leaves off and put them in a salad or whatnot. Very cool. We got some tomatoes right next to that. I don't know what it was, but I feel like when I transplanted them, some of the roots I might have ripped up too much, and some are doing good and some are doing not so good. I noticed the Romas are not doing as good as the cherries and the big reds. But let's just keep moving along. Let's show you the mess of cucumbers that I got. Again, the same problem with the trellis, but they're still producing. And now these I had hand pollinate. So what I did was I took a paintbrush and see if I could show you this. So like this would be like a male flower, and just I would put the paintbrush in there, and then you just look for one that's got the fruit on it, like that. I don't know if this one was pollinated, but it's got the flower, and then it looks like a mini cucumber, and then you just put that right in there. And look at him, he's just munching away on my stuff. Hey, take it easy. Okay, let's keep moving. I got a ton of cute tomatoes over here. These are getting big. So what I do in the same method, I'm just like tapping the stem. And I haven't seen any tomatoes yet, but they're just like thick. And I got, like I said, I got cherries, Romas, and big reds in this area. And the other tomato that I first showed you in the beginning, that was a super beefsteak. So yeah, I mean, I noticed that these tend to dry out a lot faster. So I'm definitely gonna have to do bigger pots, probably double the size. All I want to do is get these guys up to maturity and making some tomatoes for me and my family. But here's a couple of plants I threw in because I had a problem with my Romas. I had to scrap those out. But these are bitter melons, and they're trellising up. They're doing pretty good. And I got more asparagus beans in the back. But yeah, that's my update for today. I wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. Like I said, I'm doing a lot. I'm building more of the grow room and managing these plants. I'm also building some aquariums. I plan on trying to use the water to see if I can get some better yields, but so far so good. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I should be doing weekly videos. I know it's been a while since I did my last one, but I'm gonna start pumping them out again. It's just been really busy because I've been doing a lot of building on the grow room and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for stopping by today. Give me a like and tell me what you think is doing the best in my grow room, or if you have grown inside, what you think is doing pretty good. I think the peas are doing really, really good. So anyways, not to make it too long, thanks for stopping by, and give me a like and if you like the video, and please subscribe because I'll be putting more videos out like this. Thank you.